So the third benefit of Gen AI is automating repetitive tasks. And this can be automated either by one, agents that does those repetitive tasks, but in order to develop those agents, you will need software development. Or the second thing, you just ask Gen AI, you can ask ChatGPT to create for you a script, maybe a Python script that can replicate this repetitive task. You explain what is the task exactly, what is the input, what is the output, if you are comparing, for example, to files, whatever. You explain the task and tell it, please create for me a script and tell me how to use this script. ChatGPT is very good. It will give you very clear instructions. But in both cases, either you create an agent or you create a fixed script, you will need to develop a code. Now, there is a lot of tools that help people to create minimum viable products. Not products. It's not good enough for it to be ready to be used by the end customer. Let's not call it minimum viable product. Let's call it minimum viable promise. Andrej Karpathy, who was leading AI in Tesla, then worked at OpenAI, and now he has his own AI company, said this on X: the hottest new programming language is English. So learning how to use Gen AI to create software is a superpower. It helps us create proof of concepts, minimum viable promises, or minimum viable products. Then we can take these promises and go to the IT teams or the tech teams and convince them to prioritize building the real thing that will go to the customer. And now they should not push back, saying they don't have time, because they also have very advanced tools like Cursor that is helping them to create full programs. And now the job of the software developer is just editing and verifying what the AI have wrote to them. I will now show two examples for anyone, even with zero technical background. You will be able to use them very easily. And in order to facilitate things for myself, I asked ChatGPT to write the prompt for me. So the first tool I will use is bolt.new. I created an account, a free account, and I put a prompt here. Please build a web app called the Daily Business Idea. Every day when I open this, it shows a brand new business idea in a new or a fictional industry, not existing today, with a made up product or service, a one-line pitch that I can give to a venture capital. Who is it for? Is it B2B, B2C, or both? Why now? And give me another one button to generate a fresh idea when I click. Use a clean layout, think Notion or a startup pitch deck. Keep it fun, futuristic, and witty. And just click like this. So very simple, exactly like ChatGPT. It will think, it will take its time, and then it will develop the code. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. I already have done this prompt. So I will just show you the result. The exact prompt here. This is how it saw it, what it did exactly, and then here it have generated for me the web app. And it is working really fine from the first shot. I tell it, give me another idea. See, it gave me another idea. The Shopify marketplace for time insurance services, B2B, and explaining what's the market opportunity. Give me another idea. And so on and so forth. I can click deploy. And now they have deployed the website on an even dedicated link, right? You can take this link and use it anywhere you want. You can host it even on your own website. So amazing. So this is bolt.new. Second one is Replit. Replit is amazing. I told it I want you to create a simple web app that helped me track the prices of iPhones from different online retailers. So basically I wanted to track the prices of my competitors. Let's say I am selling iPhones online and I wanted to see what is the prices of my competitors. Every morning I want to check and see how much they are selling their iPhones so that I can adjust my prices. I put the prompt, I asked ChatGPT to help me write the prompt, and then I click Start Chat. So again, it is very simple. I just tell it what I want and it will do it. Again, it took, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes to create, so I don't want to wait here. I already have done this, and here is the result. I can select the country, I can select the type of phone, and then check prices. It's fetching prices. Here it is. And then I get the results. I can also deploy and take the link and host it on my website. So impressive advancement. Now with just simple English, we can create these minimum viable products or minimum viable promises to prove a concept. Then we take it, we go to the technology team or the IT teams, and then they can invest little amount of time to make it customer ready.